What's going on, guys? I guess by the title of the video you know what we're doing today. So we will be tearing up some stuff with this guy, this Witch SK1050, and we'll be grading some stuff, kind of filling some holes. This guy lives on about 10 acres, and he's been a long customer of mine. A lot of stuff for him. So yeah, just stay tuned, and hopefully you like this video. Hit the subscribe button. So this is what we're doing today. He wants to clear some of this stuff out, which is no problem. There's a big tree back here that I will be disposing of in the backwoods. Like I said, this guy's got like 10 acres. So I'll be taking it way back here. And then he also wants this path cleared out. All this kind of privet hedge and like involuntary trees, briars, all that good stuff. All this stuff needs to go. So, and we will also be clearing a big path through here, all this. So stay tuned. this is it. Cleared this little spot right here. There's a big stump right here. He's gonna have a stump grinder come out and take care of that. And then cleared all this right here. Let's see what we got. So yeah, I just used my grapple and kind of got all this, you know, privet and all the overgrown stuff. Got it all in a pile, took it back there in the woods, and then came back with a bucket and just gave it kind of a rough grade. So it opened it up a lot. So that's a wrap, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully you like this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. Like I said, I appreciate y'all guys watching, and stay tuned for other stuff, and don't forget to subscribe.